we're gonna do chrome delete on this. We're gonna go ahead and spray it. Use a plastic razor blade and literally just take this whole thing off right here. Hit this way. Okay, you can see I literally cut right on the edge of the seal, so that way I can tuck, and if I have to cut more, then I can do that again. But as you can see, it looks really good right here. Alright. Okay, so now this is a tuck tool. As you can see, I'm tucking it, and it tucks very nice. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna lift this piece because this is having some tension. Once I lift it off the seal, see, I know. Okay, now that's done. Go ahead and just cut up like this. Take that piece out, and I'm gonna go ahead and feed it in. When you're feeding it in, you're really just relaxing the film and going with it. You're not pulling it. Okay, so just like this. What I'm gonna do is kind of be eye level to this, make sure that it's tucking just a little bit, leaning the blade towards the window. Relieve some tension here. Squeegee it on to the seal real quick, just so I can see a little bit better. I'm cutting literally above the seal. I feed this corner in. Beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna cut right underneath it. Go ahead and just tuck it in there. And this is. Okay. Peel that off. I want to make sure that it's gonna round over here. Okay. Kind of separate it a little bit around it. As you can see, I'm going down, so I'm trying to pull it this way, like this way. I'm not pushing it into the corner, I'm pulling it away from the corner like this, squeegeeing it past the chrome. This way, like this. And we are almost done. Okay, look at this. What that looks like. And we are done.